Where's your grandma? What the? Here's a little teddy bear. Grandma, I got it. Grandma! Why are you eyes red? Go sleepy, teddy bear. Go sleep. Grandma! Please! I didn't mean to take your teddy bear! I'm gonna put you sleepies, okay? Ah! What the f***? Grandma! Grandma, what is that? Ah! What the f***? Ah! I'm about to hit the sickest trick shot.